What's up, guys? Bobcat here, back on the Ashland job. I gotta quickly put the we got 3/4 clean stone. It's got to go in for the basement. So then afterwards, the concrete guys can pour the floor. So yeah, this is the last step before the framers come in. I gotta get this in and then spread it and grade it. This way the framers could start framing the house. So I gotta get this in. So yeah, I got the 190 here. We got one load of 3/4 trap rock here dumped right here, and another load's gonna be coming soon. guys. That's a little bit of what I'm doing here. I just got to keep putting the stone in there and get it leveled out. But yeah, the porta potty truck came. Had to tell him where to put it. But those things are easy to move around, basically. They're just plastic. Obviously, once they've been used a little bit and you got to move it, you know, you could use the excavator. Just move it around slowly so it don't fall over or anything. But yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video of today's job at hand here. So I'm waiting for the next load to come too. I'll get all this put in and leveled out. So then at least the framers could start framing the house, and then when the concrete guys do come back to do the finished floor in the basement, the stone's already gonna be there and they could do what they gotta do. But again, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Got the John Deere 190 running mint. I'm gonna do some dozing work later. I'll make another video, but thanks again. We'll see you in another video.